Hi everyone, welcome. So this is my very first day at work in the new yarn space, and as you can see, Gary and I have been very busy. We got it the whole length, near enough, of this whole back wall. There is more besides, as you can see. There's some there, some that's not quite put away yet, and there's some in the boot of Gary's car. So it was made more difficult to actually fulfill my orders by the fact that Gary left this. That is the stand for this big saw. There's a Christmas tree and lots of wood. I could have dragged it all out, but I figured I'd try and work around it. So this is not really sorted out at all, but I've got a lot of king cole over this side. There's also some special Aran, so Stylecraft and king cole mostly over this side, with some t-shirt yarns, some puzzles and some accessories. There's some more accessories up there. I do need to sort it all out, but it's freezing in here at the moment. I've got my dehumidifier humming away. Got some boxes of my own stuff there, and then again I've got more. So I've got all my Peter Pan yarns, which are absolutely dreamy soft. There's a bumbo, look, that was one of the kids' baby bumbos, a little seat. So yeah, got lots and lots of Peter Pan and all that really gorgeous Hayfield spirits over this side, and some more special Aran there. And then over here I've got some Elise and some Papatia and lots of odd shaped boxes that fit on the top okay. But and there I've got some more puzzles and accessories, some more special Aran. And well, there's the king cole Fjord. That's a special box just for Fjord, that one. As you can see, sold quite a lot of that, almost. I was kind of, yeah, I'm surprised how crazy that went. I put it in a few mystery boxes and people decided they loved it, so it started to fly then. There's also some other yarns in here as well that, different brands. And then there's the Poundland mystery box, and what am I trying to think of? There's one big box of yarns. They're not all in Gary's car. Don't know what that one is. It might all be t-shirt yarn because it doesn't all fit in there. And there's the colour twist and the Karen box, and there's loads and loads of others. There's some really lovely different Arans. There's that chunky, that doesn't all fit in there, so there's some of the blue in that one that I made the hat with. So there, it's all here. There's the Christmas glitz and the orange and black one that's great for Halloween, and there's the cotton. So yeah, lots and lots. Price wise all over here, this is really inexpensive, and I need to get some of that out for one of my latest tutorials, which will be coming up soon, and it's for a big Santa sack. Well, I say big, but it's a Santa sack. And I haven't yet got all my stuff in here, so my sewing machine's not here. And over here where my dehumidifier is purring away, this is going to be my workbench, and those are my worktops, obviously facing away. But it's raining cats and dogs outside. It's really horrible. Oh yes, I've got lots in the car of Stylecraft as well. I've got a little, these are just a little chest of drawers here, and my coffee machine possibly will sit on top of that, or my printer, one of the two. I've got one Harry Potter box left, guys. That's all I have in the crochet kit for Harry Potter. I do have 2 Frozen and some of the Disney ones left for, I say Disney because Frozen's Disney, but you know what I mean. I've got 1 paint pouring set left for kids, and a couple of sewy things, and some Lion King and Toy Story boxes. I've also got a couple of others that are stuffed animals crochet kits. Up there in that box you'll find the diamond paintings and cross stitches, and I'm going to do a big old special offer for Christmas for them. Pardon me, got hiccups. So yeah, it's coming along. And in these 2 bags here on the floor, ignore all that junk. It's not all gone yet. This is going to be my racking and this one, but I'm going to paint them. And I bought some really beautiful, and I mean gorgeous, pink shiny paint. One was paint and one was a spray paint. So the metal one's going to be spray painted and the other one's going to be painted with this really kind of, it's almost a glittery but not quite, it's metallic pink. And I bought it for my windowsills, but I never got around to doing it. Door's not on yet, as you can see. Still got this. It's it doesn't fit like that. It's just that I'm in here and I can't get a good slam on it when I want to shut it from the outside. But yeah, look at that rain everywhere. It's eased up quite a bit, thankfully. But when I'm working in the summer, I'll get a good view of my egg chair. There's my door and the back of the house, which it's, you know, too rainy to see out of this window because it's double glazed, so it's all got condensation on the outside. But there's my garden table and chairs, which you can't really see, and there's all the plants over that side. So I shall have a lovely view of the flowers as I work in here, and might get a bit distracted. Now this is the hose for my air conditioning unit stroke heater, which is going to go in this gap. So that's why there's a gap between these two sets of racking. So that will go there, and not right on top, but somewhat above it will be another worktop, which is where my coffee machine and stuff like that could go. Printer will go on one. Christmas tree will go in here somehow. I'll get it all done. So yeah, it's coming along in leaps and bounds. But today, well, over the last few days, Gary and I have been fitting all this together. He's been an absolute Trojan working his little cotton socks off. Now there will be a light up that end, the same as this. Oh, but one thing he did do when he was putting the racking up, he completely smashed the light cover. So now this one is a bare bulb, but it's actually brighter, so it doesn't matter too much. But yeah, it 3 times he hit that, you know, 3 times. In the end he smashed it completely. First time he just cracked it a bit. Second time he cracked it a bit more. Third time it was a goner. Anyway, got another one over there, which I've banned him from going anywhere near, because it's going to go on that one up there where you can just about see, about there, there's a wire sticking out the ceiling. So yeah, coming on, and now I can use it, because yeah, I was that last rackings, the smallest one, I was going to turn it so that it kind of sectioned this part off to that part, and then I'm beyond there. Once all this toot, for want of a better word, is gone, then that would be where I'm going to put my cubicles. But I'm going to have to think again, I think. And the cubicles can go along this wall. So I've got a bit of bare wall there, and I've got some over this side. I didn't really want to film that way, but I'm going to have no choice, to be honest with you. I'll leave my little stereo out. That's quite old. It's a lovely little, beautiful sound, that little Yamaha, I tell you. Unbelievable. Some of the newer ones don't sound as good. So, yeah, I'm going to have that out here. Play the odd CDs. I've got some lights up there that I can sort of tart the place up a bit with. But all of these 20 kettles that probably don't work, all of those can go. I've got to get rid of my Wii, which is over there, and we've got a little monitor there. It's covered in dust. Gary wants it anyway for one of his old PlayStations because it's got a SCART socket. So he's going to have that. But yeah, we're nearly there. We're nearly sorted. It's going to take a little while longer because Gary's got lots of work on. We've also got a funeral coming up, as you all know. And but it's good. It's been good fulfilling my orders. Hunt the yarn is what I'm playing at the moment, because they do need sectioning up, and some of these boxes have 2 types in or thereabouts. Like some have got a bit of King Cole and a bit of Peter Pan or something, where I was trying to make use of all the space that I had. But I'm going to get some more boxes, although I don't have any more racking, and if I did buy some, it'd have to kind of go right, tag on to the end, I guess. So I could go around the corner. We'll see. It depends how much of that toot gets left in here. These are beautiful. These are the batik swirls. I did them a little while ago. I either did a yarn of the week with them or something. But a lot of the accessories that are in these top boxes, they're going to go in these drawers. So I can free up those boxes and put some yarn in, because I do have some sheepies yarn, which I can't see at the moment. It's here somewhere. Actually, could still be in the house. There's a few bits still in there. And that can all go in there. It fits quite nicely, the little packs of sheepies. And anyway, there we go. Look at all these gorgeous squishinesses. Aren't they amazing? This was my mystery boxes. As you can see, really gone down quite a lot. I normally grab a few out of there and then a few different yarns to put in. I really do need to sort that end out. But there's things down there like garden chairs and barbecues and things that just can't live outside. So I'm going to have to put up with some of them until I can sort it out. And then there's these really old Samsonite packing cases which have my skinny jeans in when I was a size 8, which won't mean much to you across the pond, but it's pretty thin over here. So anyway, will I ever get back in those? Possibly not. Anyway, there's more boxes. Oh God, I realise now I've got more work cut out for me than I thought when I get those others in. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I've also got cupboards over here. They need erecting and stuff, so still lots to do, but we've made a start. And what a start we've made. Look at all this. So thanks for watching. As I said, stay safe everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.